Hi, I'm Shyamala Gauri, Assistant Professor in Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Subject code CS3352. Subject name Foundations of Data Science. Unit 5 Data Visualization. The topic to be presented here are legends, colors, and subplots. First, legends. Plot legends give meaning to visualization, assigning labels to the various plot elements. We previously saw how to create a simple legend. Here we will take a look at customizing the placement and aesthetics of the legend in Matplotlib. Here we have in the below example, here we have called plt dot legend of. The legend includes all labeled elements by default. We can change which elements and labels appear in the legend by using the objects returned by plot commands. The plt.plotof is able to create multiple lines at once and returns a list of created line instance. Passing any of these to plt.legendof will tell it which to identify along with the labels we would like to specify. The simple program is shown below by specifying the legends. Here legend plt.legend is called. So inside it is first comma second has been written. XY label is equal to first and label is equal to second are specified. The output for this program is shown on the right side of the slide. Multiple legends. It is possible to create a single legend for the entire plot. If you try to create a second legend using plt.legendof or ax.legendof, it will simply overwrite the first one. We can work around this by creating a new legend artist from scratch and then using the lower level ax.add artist of method to manually add the second artist to the plot. Color. In Matplotlib, a color bar is a separate access that can provide a key for the meaning of colors in a plot. For continuous labels based on the color of points, lines or regions, a labeled color bar can be a great tool. The simplest color bar can be created with plt.colorbar function. Customizing color map. Choosing the color map. We can specify the color map using the CMap argument to the plotting function that is creating the visualization. The three different categories of color maps are sequential color maps. These consist of one continuous sequence of colors, example binary or Viridish. The second one is divergent color maps. These usually contain two distinct colors which show positive and negative deviations from a mean. Example RDBU or, or PUOR. Third one, qualitative color maps. These mix colors with no particular sequence. Example, rainbow or jet. Color limits and extensions. Matplotlib allows for a large range of color bar customization. The color bar itself is simply an instance of plot.access. So all of the access and tick formatting tricks we have learned are applicable. We can narrow the color limits and indicate the out of bounds values with a triangular arrow at the top and bottom by setting the extend property. The simple example program shows color customization properties below. Here IM show off function is called, CMap is defined and extend attribute is defined. The output is shown on the right side of the slide. Subplots. Matplotlib has the concept of subplots. groups of smaller axes that can exist together within a single figure. These subplots might be insets, grids of plots, or other more complicated layouts. There are four routines for creating subplots in matplotlib. First one is plt.a axis. So it is a subplots by hand. Second one is plt dot subplot. It is simple grids of subplots. Third one is plt dot subplots of. It is the whole grid in one go. Fourth one is plt dot grid spec of. It is a more complicated. It has more complicated arrangements. Here is an example program. One simple example of 2 by 3 grid of subplots is shown where all axes in the same row share their y-axis scale and all axes in the same column share their x-axis scale. Here in the example given, Ax is equal to PLT dot subplots of 2 comma 3 comma share x is equal to column and share y is equal to row has been defined. Note that by specifying share x and share y, we have automatically removed inner labels on the grid to make the plot cleaner. The output is shown in the next slide. Here is an output for the previous program. Here, see the subplots has been created and it is shown here. Thank you.